Hello and welcome back again to the Huge Database Office. In this video I will show you how we scan, perform optical character recognition and compile a PDF that is searchable of our usage guide. I will also show how we use a Word document as an intermediary in which we can correct our OCR text. So we start by placing the loose pages in the scanner. We set the scanning software to scan double-sided pages in black and white. That will give the best resolution. The scanner we use is an HP ScanJet 7500. This has an automatic document feed and can scan up to 100 pages per minute. The actual rate is usually a little lower, but it's still very useful to have a scanner that can scan a lot of pages quickly, because doing this by hand would take far too much time. It's not really shown here in this video, but since the book is quite big, we can't fit all of it into the ADF, so we do it in 3 batches. When the scanning is done, we save the batches as 3 TIFF documents. Each TIFF document is read into Abby FineReader, which is our OCR program. We perform OCR in languages that are commonly found in usage guides, so obviously English, but also German, French, Latin and Greek. Each of the OCR documents is then saved as a PDF. And so now we have 3 PDF documents with parts of OCR texts of practical English usage. Then we have to combine the 3 PDF files into one. For that we use Adobe Acrobat. It's really easy, you can just drag the individual files into the window to combine them, and the program does the rest. We save the combined PDF with the name of the author, the title of the usage guide and the year when it was published. And so we end up with a searchable PDF document of Michael Swan's practical English usage. The OCR process sometimes leaves some errors, so before we enter the text into the database, we first transfer it to a Word document to get some of the errors out. It's easier to process the text in this kind of document. Here we have the selection for ain't, so we'll select that and copy it. We first want to enter the page number because we need it for the database, but this book doesn't use page numbers, it uses item numbers, so we'll give the item number. This is item number 34. And then we'll paste in the text from the PDF. We want to clean it up a little bit, so we get rid of the hard line endings, for instance. This is a short entry, so it's done really quickly. Now we see that there is an extra space in of, so we have to get rid of that. And we also see that the N dash has been represented by a hyphen here, and in the next line it has been represented by an M dash, so we change that to N dashes, just as in the original text. And that is it for ain't. So we go through the rest of the document of the usage guide until we find another entry that we want to enter into the database. Here we have an entry about the difference between among and between, and that's also one of the usage problems on our list. So we select all the text, and again we copy it into the Word document. Just give that it's item number 50, and then we paste the text. Again, we'll clean up some of the OCR errors. There's another space between the O and F in off. This is something that happens a lot. And again, we get rid of all the hard line endings, because the text will flow differently in the window in which it is displayed in the database. So now we have all the selected usage problems from Practical English Usage that we want to put into our database in a single Word document. In this video, I showed you how we turn the printed version of a usage guide, Michael Swan's Practical English Usage, into a searchable PDF using a scanner and OCR software. I also showed how we select and correct the entries from the PDF and collect them in a text document. You can find out more about the Huge database on our website, bridgingtheunbridgeable.com. This website also has a form with which you can request access to the Huge database. You can also like our project on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. We are @UsageGuides. Please like and share this video.